Hi, my name is Azim. I'm from Nurture Tech Academy. Today we are going to discuss about advanced filter. We have already uses filter option. As you can see on my table, that is, this is the symbol for filter. But what is the need? Why we want to learn advanced filter? For example, once you want to filter any products and the products list is going down and down, and you are going to find out, for example, one product is called Belen and another product is down to the list, so it's very hard to find out that. So how we can filter data on a criteria basis. You can see on the right side of this data there is a name product, and we have two criteria. One is phenolic and second one is Yankee, right? It's very easy process to filter data. So just go to data tab. There is an option is called advanced. In advance you can see in action group there are two options. One is filter the list, another one is copy to another location. So we will understand one by one. So we will start from the first one, that is called filter the list in place, right? So what is the use of this option? Which in list and select the whole table. Select the whole table. Now come to the criteria range. In criteria range you must create a criteria just like this. I need to filter I need to filter these two products list. So once I will click on OK, and so these two products have been filtered. When you use this option filter the list in place, this option will apply the filter on your main database, right? Filter data and copy and paste it anywhere else in your sheet or in your workbook, then this option will help you a lot, that copy to another location. So we have already understand the first option. Now come to the next option, that is called copy to another location. Click on and list range as usual, select the whole table. In criteria range, select the criteria. Remember, spelling and heading must be matched with your table. Now the third and the very important point is that is called copy to. So now Excel is asking to you that where would like to paste your data. Okay, so for example I have given the area. I have given this area. Now click on OK. So only two products have been pasted. Now the next point, when you want to copy filter data to paste in another workbook, with the help of advanced filter you can do it on a very easy manner. For example, I have opened a new workbook, right? And in this new workbook I'm just copying this criteria and paste it on new workbook, right? And see, go to again data tab, then advanced again, take the option it's called copy to another location. In list range, yes, click on your workbook. As usual, select the whole table. Now come to the criteria range, select the criteria from your new workbook, copy to where you would like to paste this data, just give the location and click on OK and see the magic. Okay, so not only to copy data on your existing sheet, but also you can paste your data on a new workbook. Now the next and the very important point, and versus or condition, right? As you can see in my data tab, in my data, that we have two criteria. I need to filter data, name is product. Similarly, sales representative name should be Brandon Toot, right? As well as I have given Yankee, right? So let's see what Excel gonna filter for us. Advanced, copy to another location. Listing, select the whole table. Now in criteria, now expand your criteria from this to this. Then location, where would you like to paste this one, just click there and paste it. Okay, see what is gonna happen. In Panolic Sunshine, the product is only filtered with the sales representative. This situation is called AND situation. Apart from these two criteria, we also get filter data that is called Yankee, right? So this is situation for AND conditions. Delete this one and I'm just cut and pasted here. Now see what gonna be happen. Advance copy to in, as usual, listing. You have to select the whole table. Criteria range, select the criteria and paste the location you would like to paste this data. Then click on OK. See, so what you have received, the sales representative name is branded to, as well as product only for, not only for phenolic but also for quad, and quad is related with banded. So this situation is that I need to filter data only either from phenolic or from branded tool, right? So this situation is called an or condition in advanced filter. Now the next one, if you need to if you need to copy filter data when selected heading. Yeah, for example, I need to see the data related with the product phenolic, but I don't want to extract whole the data. I need only these headings, right? So go to advanced tab, copy to another location, select the whole table. In criteria, as usual, given the criteria. Now in copy to, now there is no need to see anywhere location. Select your heading, right? If you want to see filter data only related with date, sales representative and discount, and click on OK and see the magic. So this also can be done with the use of advanced filter, right? And the last one, and a very important point, that is I need to extract the unique name of my products. As you can see, this is the product list, right? And the products need to extract only unique records from this table. So how we can do this? Go to data tab, advanced filter, copy to another location. You can take this. Now in list range, give that column in which you want to extract the record, right? Now in criteria, no need to put anything. Now in copy to, Excel is asking to you where you would like to see data. Now you just click here, and yes, then most importantly, click on this option that is called unique records only. Now click and OK, and see the magic is you have received only unique records. So I hope this option is very much helpful for you. So keep watching this, like this channel and subscribe.